Want to help a child reach their potential? Here's how you can help feed a child's dream. Whether a kid wants to be a president, an athlete, or a video game designer, every child needs a little support to achieve their goals. And it all starts with the most important meal of the day. Studies show that students who eat breakfast tend to have a lower body mass index. And when students participate in school breakfast programs, they tend to have better attendance, important factors for success. If you want to help, there's one simple thing you can do right now. When you buy a specially marked box of Kellogg cereal, 1% of sales go towards the expansion of school breakfast programs, which gives more kids the opportunity to have a healthy breakfast on a regular basis. To find out more ways you can help feed a child's dream, visit www.kellogg's.com/give.